Gluten-free chicken marsala is one of our favorite dishes. Start by placing 3 to 4 heaping tablespoons gluten-free flour in a Ziplock gallon bag. Place 1 teaspoon nature's seasoning or your favorite herbal seasoning in with the flour. Mix that well. Next, pound the 1.5 pound chicken breast tenders by using a meat tenderizing mallet. Get out all your frustrations. Place the chicken in the flour bag. Coat the bottom of the pan with olive oil and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Coat the chicken well with the flour mixture. Add the chicken tenders to the pan and let them brown on each side, just 2 to 3 minutes, not cooking them through. Just reaching a golden brown color. Once browned on each side, transfer the chicken onto a plate and set aside. Save the oil in the pan and add a tablespoon more of butter. Add your chopped shallots and garlic to the butter and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium. Add 1 cup of bouillon. I use better than bouillon. Then add 1 cup of half and half cream. And 1 cup of Marsala wine. Stir in a half teaspoon thyme and bring that mixture to a light boil. Turn the heat down to medium and add the chicken back in. Cook this for 10 to 15 minutes, letting some of the water boil out. After washing and slicing the mushrooms, add those in and let those warm, just slightly, not overcooking. I like to serve this dish over rice, but you could also serve it over gluten-free pasta or potatoes. We usually serve it with a light salad. Enjoy!